2017 Dodge Grand Caravan. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, power liftgate, traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, alloy wheels, hard disk drive media storage, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, security alarm, CD player, electronic stability control, trip computer, fog lamps, power windows, brake assist, panic alarm, overhead console. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.